Hello, welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by AnnualPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew, and we're ready to go. The question goes as such. Do I need to put my salt system on a timer? Rob?
Well, the quick answer would be yes, you'd want to put your salt system on a timer, unless your salt system has a built-in timer, which there aren't that many. I think the Autopilot, maybe the Aquatrol by Hayward for the above-ground models. But yes, you'd want to put it on a timer. We get a lot of questions like, well, doesn't it have a flow switch? Shouldn't the flow switch tell the system to turn off if there's no flow? It could malfunction. It might not turn the system off. It could continue to create chlorine even though there's no water flow. And then you run the risk of the gas building up and potentially causing the cell to explode. So that's the real reason you want to put the salt system on a timer.
Now, could you put the salt system on the same timer as your pool pump?
Yeah, so a lot of, I'd say the majority of pool owners have their pump on a mechanical timer. You connect the salt system to the same loads that your pool pump is on. So that way it turns on and off at the same time as your pump. Some people have variable speed pumps that aren't on a timer. In that case, you'd want to get an external timer for your salt system if it doesn't have a built-in timer. I think some variable speeds do have an auxiliary connection at the back where you can connect a salt system, but there's not many of those out there. I think the Pureline Prime 2.7, because it has the V-Green motor, it has an auxiliary connection, but besides that, it doesn't. You need an external timer.
So if you're looking or if you're interested in a timer for your salt system or pool pump, you can take a look over at AnnualPools.com. We'll leave a little link to our timer section. I love a good Intermatic. Love it. Always solid. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us. Bye.